Alright, obviously this is the Ruger American 243, Ruger American Predator 243 cal. Stock barrel. Put 5 shots down range, 90 yards. Checking the, so I'm holding it in my shoulder, but resting it on it. We're rest, stock on the rest. You just shot it in 100 yards, so it should be money. I don't see a hole. Oh, way low right. It shouldn't be. It should have been on the bullseye. That one came up. That one's the bullseye. That one's touching the other shot. Alright, well, this is the Witt Machine muzzle brake for the 243 Ruger American. You can see the barrel obviously is threaded. This has an extra sleeve that goes over it. It's supposed to muzzle the, redirect the sound, as muzzle brakes tend to direct the sound out towards fellow shooters. I thought this was a crush sleeve, came with it, but this is metal, not threaded. There's no way to fit this in between here. It stops it at a 90-degree angle like that, unless that's the way it's supposed to go. 90 degrees, I was thinking it's supposed to go this way, but that is, anyway, it's not a crush sleeve. There's no way to tighten that on there, so let's, for kicks and grins, let's go ahead and make it a, I thought it was up and down, but if it's down, then of course your lighter gases go down to the ground and kick up dirt. So let's just go sideways with it, out the sides. And this is permanent, of course I would lock thread it on there, but yeah, that's, so that's, alright, let's give this a whirl. Shit, where's some bullets? Need some bullets. Send 5 down range. Barrel's a little warmer now. The first shot, when it was cold, boy, it was down several inches. A couple shots and it came back up. That didn't seem right. How many do I have? 3, 4. Must be 4. Alright, fire in the hole. Well, I was able to keep the target in my sight picture. I was several feet off of it, but 90 yards I was still at least in my scope. Whereas before, my rifle would jump so far I wouldn't even be able to see the target, so that seemed to do its job. It's warm. I should put in 5 more rounds. See if it's any quieter. Put on the same footage. That one seemed to have more recoil. Yeah, those, I don't know how the volume was because I have big headphones on, but it definitely had more recoil than just like this. Whew, look at it, it's nice and dirty now. Kept all that gases in there. I don't know comparatively if it was more than without the brake at all. Maybe footage will tell us that.